So this is a Mach 200 C water jet. Strength of water jet is really its versatility. I mean, you can cut virtually any material out there, from 12-inch steel to rubber, foam, sheet metal, stone, you name it. You can cut it without any heat affected zones whatsoever, right? So your product is going to be intact on a molecular level. It's not going to be altered like it would be with a plasma or even a laser cutting device. Well, Flow International, we're the originators of the abrasive water jet. We've been out 50 years. Easy to find at flowwaterjet.com online. Easy to find online. If you search for water jets, we're going to pop up. I mean, all the large aerospace companies and automotive companies. SpaceX, Blue Origin, Boeing, all the large companies, Toyota, all the large automotive and aerospace companies. In addition, I mean, we range. Our equipment fits such a wide range of industries and shops. We can be in a small family machine shop, or even a company working out of a garage, all the way up to a SpaceX or Boeing, because it just fits so many applications and can cut virtually any material. I mean, our main industries our main materials we cut probably start with metal, stone, countertop type companies is a big business for us as well. All the way down to foam and rubber and everything in between. I mean, if I had to take a stab, I would say, aerospace, automotive, metal service providers, a lot of just metal job shops. It just gives you that absolute flexibility with your, with your applications and with your cutting. We have a full range of water jets. This is one example, but we also just launched our fabrication division earlier this year. So we have press brakes and lasers as well. So fiber lasers, and then a wide range of press brakes. So that's new for us. It's exciting news for Flow, because we're the originator of the abrasive water jet. We go back 50 years. So to launch this fabrication division is an exciting time. The company's easy to find. We're on LinkedIn, Instagram. I mean, you name it, you can find it. Flow Water Jet, we're easy to find. I'm Ivan Barrow. I'm a regional business manager for the Pacific Northwest, based out of Seattle. So I cover Western Canada and the Pacific Northwest.
Well, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.